Hi guys, Miss Stanton here. I just wanted to go over one more time about submitting your notes so that I can see you've done the videos. Please follow these instructions if you're struggling, and also try to name your files in such a way that I can easily figure out what is what. So you'll click on my class, on our class, go to digital sessions on the left. You will find a Unit 1 tile, okay, because we're currently in Unit 1. You can see the video links on the right here, but we're going to go right here to this tile. You see your schedule here. You're going to click on Lesson Uploads, not Lesson Assignments, but Lesson Uploads. You're going to click on Lesson Uploads. You're going to select the files you want to use. So let's say I want to use these 4 files, I don't know. And I'm just going to say open. And they pop up right here. And then you just need to say submit files. Now, as far as naming your files, it would be great if you could label them with a date. That way they'll be chronologically ordered and easier for me to grade. That's it. That's how simple it is. So please follow these directions and everything should work out great.